Sixth graders, welcome to Big Ideas Math, Contract Math, Section 7.5, 2014 edition, Scale Drawings Activity. Pause while you write Section 7.5, 2014 edition activity in your math notebook. Pause again while you write today's activity objective, compare measurements, and recreate drawings in your math notebook. Copy the following key terms, definitions, and examples exactly as they appear into your notebook. Scale is a ratio that compares the measurements of a drawing or model with the actual measurements. Scale drawing is a proportional, two-dimensional drawing of an object, such as a blueprint or a map. Here are some other key terms, definitions, and examples that you need to copy into your notebook. A scale model is a proportional, three-dimensional model of an object. A scale factor of a scale drawing is a scale without units. The reason it says see ratio is because it often appears as a ratio, such as 1 to 3. Today we're going to be starting on page 161 in your Record and Practice Journal. Activity 1, Comparing Measurements. The diagram shows a food court at a shopping mall. Each centimeter in the diagram represents 40 meters. Find the length and width of the drawing of the food court. First, we're going to look at the length, and we can count. The length of the drawing is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. And the width of the drawing is 2.5 centimeters. So we write that in. And then it says find the actual length and width of the food court and explain how we found our answers. So we find our answers by multiplying our length in centimeters and our width in centimeters by 40. So 40 times 4 equals 160. So our length is 160 meters, and 2.5 times 40 equals 100 meters. So where we have the explanation part, we write that we found by multiplying by 40. Letter C says find the ratios. The first ratio we need to find is the drawing length to the actual length. So the drawing length was 4 centimeters. And we put that over the actual length, which was 160 meters. And the drawing width was 2.5 centimeters. And the actual width was 100 meters. This "what do you notice" is your homework for tonight. So you need to think about these ratios and what they are equivalent to. And that's what you're going to notice for your homework. And write a sentence about that. Your assignment is to complete the What Do You Notice portion of Letter C of Activity 1 on page 161 of your Record and Practice Journal. Be prepared to share during our next class. Please remember, to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson, you must complete your exit slip, come to our next class prepared with the journal pages or other work from the flipped lesson completed, and be prepared with any work that was assigned in the flipped lesson completed. Be prepared with any questions you have for the teacher, and always have a good attitude. We'll see you next time in class.